Hello, this is section 4.1, solving systems of the linear equation by graphing. So we are solving the system of the equation, which means you have two equations and then we're gonna solve as a system. Okay, so we are looking for the intersection between the two equations. So first of all, we do by grouping, and then in 4.2 we do the by substitution, and then 4.3 we do by the elimination. So first one, decide whether an order pair is a solution of the linear equation. So we know that the equation of the form ax plus bx plus by equal to c is a line linear equation and graph. And two equations are called the system of the linear equation. So solution will be the system of the linear equation. It will be the order pair that satisfy the both equation in the system, which means when you have a plane as a x and y, and then if you grab one and the other grab, and then you'll see the intersection, that's we call a solution. So solution must be satisfied the both of the equation, otherwise it's not going to be the solution for the system. So since the two lines may be intersect in exactly one point, may not intersect at all, or may intersect everywhere, so it follows that the system in the equation will have exactly one solution, and then we might have no solution, we might have infinitely many solutions. So we only get these three different cases. Okay, so the first one, we consider the system, which is first one and the second one. Then what we're gonna do is we're gonna actually use a point. Let's say this is a solution for the system. So what you need to do is plug it in. So I labeled them, okay, because there are two equations. So there's x and y equal to -3, and then we use x as a 4 and y is a 7. So 4 plus 7 equal to -3, which is the 11 equal to -3, which is not true. So it already violates the equation 1. So 4, 7 is not a solution. All right, the next one, I have a 4 and -7. So one equation is not a solution. You don't have to worry about it, okay? So this time x and y is 4 and -7. So x is x plus y equal to -3. So 4 plus -7, which is a -3, which is equal to -3. So it is true. So it is a 4 -7 is a solution of the first equation. Now you have to check the second equation too, which is 2x plus y equal to 1. So 2 times x is a 4, y is a -7, is equal to 1. So a minus 7 equal to 1. Yes, it is, right? So this works for that too, right? So that means 4 and -7 is a solution of the system. Okay, all right, let's look at the next one. Now, solve the system by linear equation in two variables, x and y, by graphing. So we do the graph. So first of all, directions is graph the first equation, graph the second equation on the same set of the axis. If the line represents the two graphs intersects as a point, determine the coordinates of this point as an intersection. The order pair is a solution to the system, and then you better check the both equation like we did as the first problem, okay? Then in order for this method to be useful, you must grab the line very accurately, okay? Because it might be got a little bit off from there. So let's graphing. So the hopefully that reminds you for the graphing that we did a long time ago, okay? So I'm gonna grab the equation one first. So which is 4x plus y equal to 4. And then I'm gonna solve for y. So I want to subtract the 4x both sides. Then I have a 4 equal to -4x plus 4, which means slope is -4, and the y-intercept is going to be 0b, which is 0,4. So I'm going to starting from the 0,4, and then slope was -4 over 1 means down 1 and the 1 right. So from the 4, I'm going to down 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then right 1. So I need to make the 1 over here. Let's get another one. And then from here down 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then right 1. So I need to get the another point over here. And then if you connect them together, you gotta be really carefully connected, okay? So if you connect them together as a straight line, Yeah, so that's a line. So that's equation 1. Now I want to use another color for the equation 2. So equation 2, which is 3x minus y equal to 3. I think I want to use the slope and minus step 2. So I want to subtract the 3x both sides. And then negative y equal to negative 3x. But I need to always solve for y. So divide by negative 1 both sides. I'm getting y equal to 3x minus 3. Because you got to divide by negative 1. So slope is 3 over 1. And then the y-intercept is 0 and negative 3. So from the 0, negative 3 is right here. And then you need to go up to 3 and the right one to get another point, okay? So you got it from here, 1, 2, 3, and right one. Oh, we got already the intersection right here. 1, 2. So from here, 1, 2, 3, right one. So I need to get that point out too. And then if you connect them as a straight line, okay, and then as you notice here, there's an intersection. So solution is this one. This is the intersection. So intersection is in order pair as 1 and 0. So solution is 1 and 0. Now in the second systems, okay, yeah, I'm gonna solve for y too. So that's a easier way. So pull the equation 1 out. I have 3x plus 2y equals 12. So for y, subtract 3x both sides. 2y equals to negative 3x plus 12. And divide by 2. I got y equal to negative 3 over 2x plus 6. Okay, so slope is in here. Negative 3 over 2, which is down 3 by 2. And then y-intercept is 0 and 6. So 0 and 6 not in here, but I still need to, maybe about here, right? About here. So from there, I need to go down 3. From here down 3, so 1, 2, 3, and the right 2. 1 and 2, so 2, 3. So right here. And then do it again. So you got down 3, 1, 2, 3, and then right 2, which is 4, 0. I think that'll be enough for that. So I'm going to make a straight line going through this. And then for the equation 2, I'm using the red color for the equation. Oh, doesn't look nice. So equation 2, I have 2x minus y equal to 1. So for y, so subtract 2x both sides. Negative y equal to negative 2x plus 1. Divided by negative 1, I have a y equal to 2x minus 1. So slope is 2 over 1, so up to right 1, and the y-intercept is going to be the 0, negative 1, right? So from 0, negative 1, and then I need to go up to 2, so 1, 2, and right. Okay, so there's a 1, 1. And then do it again. I'm going to go 1, 2, and 1 right. Oh, right here. Okay, all right. So, and then I got the line, which is connect these 3 points together nicely, right? Then as you notice that this is a solution, okay? So solution is, I can see as a 2 and 3. So this is a solutions. All right, next page. So the number of the solution to the system of the two linear equations, the number of the solution could be one solution or no solution, or there are infinite many solutions. So case of one solution means only one here. No solution means the line never meet. And then infinite many solution means the two lines go together. So let's do together example 3, solving by graphing. So label 1 and 2, okay? So equation 1 first, okay? So y equal to 3x minus 2, which is we don't need to solve for y. So slope is 3 over 1, which is up 1. And up 1 and right 1. And then y-intercept is 0 and negative 2. So from 0, negative 2. And then I need to go 1, 2, 3 by 1. One more. from here 1, 2, 3 by 1, and then you can just connect them through the nice line. Oops, sorry. Okay, and then the other one is I'm using red, so equation 2. So equation now 2, y equal to 3x plus 1. So solve for y because it's been solved for y. So 3 over 1 up 3 by 1 and minus that is 0 and 1. So from the 0, 1, you need to go up to 3. So from here 1, 2, 3 by 1. And then, yeah, so this time, okay, I can't really go further. So I'm just going to make the straight line through this one. So, yep. Okay, so as you notice that this two lines looks like what? They're parallel, right? So I don't think these two lines meet together. So I want to say this is a no solution. Okay, the B. So first equation and second equation, okay? So equation 1, which is x plus y equal to 3. The another way you can graph it, of course you can solve for y. Oh, let's do this, okay? So subtract x plus size, y equal to negative x plus 3. Slope is negative 1 over 1, and down 1 by 1, and the y-intercept is 0 and 3. So from the 0, 3, and then you need to go down 1 and right 1, which is right here. Down 1, right 1, down 1, right 1, right? So yeah, that's the line. Okay. And then red color equation 2, which is 2x plus 2y equal to 6. So for y, so subtract 2x both sides. 2y equal to negative 2x plus 6 and divide by 2. I got y equal to negative x plus 3. Okay, so slope is negative 1, y-intercept is 0 and 3, which is over 1. So starting from the 0, 3 and 1, down 1, 1, right? Yeah, so you get the same line. And you notice that the equations come out the same look, right? So this one case is two lines are exactly the same. So these are the same line, which means there are infinitely many solutions. There are the infinitely many solutions. Okay, so that's how you find the solution for the system by graphing. Thank you for listening.